Hi there! You found your way to Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky, and our friend Bear has an important question for you. Do you think you can figure out what happened to some cupcakes that went missing? Pete the cat and his friends just baked some cupcakes for a cupcake party, but now some of them are gone. Who took the cupcakes? Let's put on the magic reading glasses and help Pete the cat solve the mystery. Pete the cat and the missing cupcakes. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no! Hang on! Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, "Maybe we need to count again." They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found, sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves sweets." Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. "I am so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none." Everyone agreed. Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do." Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete the Cat's Cupcake Party. Well, did you think it was cool of Pete to let Grumpy Toad come to the party? Would you give him another chance? Bear says it rocks to be kind, and we hope you come back and see us again very soon for another rockin' adventure. Bye for now. Hi there, you found us here at Storytime with Miss Becky. I'm Miss Becky, and this is our friend Bear, who loves to play games with us. Bear has a question for you. Do you like birthday parties? Well, Pete the cat is having a birthday party right now. He just needs help to get the cupcakes back from Grumpy Toad. Would you come and help us move all the cupcakes from Grumpy Toad's tray to Pete the cat's birthday party table? Yes? Let's try and see if we can. Let's let Bear spin first. He got a 3. Go, Bear. Let's count 1, 2, 3. He landed on a gift box, which means he will act out something for Miss Becky to guess. Bear is moving his legs in circles. You must be riding a bicycle. Yes? Hooray! Bear places 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. Bear's turn is over. Now it's my turn to spin. I spun a 1 and landed on gift box, which means now I will act out something for Bear to guess. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tree? Yes, Bear. Now I get to place 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. My turn is over. Bear's turn. He spins a 1 and lands on ABCs. So he will think of a letter and something that starts with that letter. Bear says C for cupcake. That's right. Bear places 1 cupcake on the birthday table. His turn is over. My turn. I spun a 1 and landed on music. So I will sing part of a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now I get to place 1 cupcake on the birthday table. Bear's turn. Bear spins a 2. Count 1, 2. He lands on Grumpy Toad. Bear says that means Grumpy Toad is still hungry, so Bear must return 1 cupcake to his tray. Bear's turn is over. Now it's my turn. I spun a 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. I landed on gift box. Cup? Right, Bear. Now I get to place 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. My turn is over. It's your turn. Bear spins 1 and lands on gift box. Bear, are you flapping your arms like a bird? Bird? I guessed right. So Bear places 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. And his turn is over. Now it's my turn. I spin a 1 and land on apple. So I have to name something yummy. Pie. Now I get to place 1 cupcake on the birthday table. My turn is over. Now it's Bear's turn. Bear spins 2. Count 1, 2. He lands on gift box. Bear, what are you doing? Are you talking on a phone? I guessed right. And now Bear gets to put 2 cupcakes on the birthday table. And his turn is over. My turn. I spin a 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on dog. So I have to name an animal and make it sound. A cow says moo. I get to place 1 cupcake on the birthday table, and my turn is over. Bear spins 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bear lands on gift box. Bear, you look like you're driving a car, right? I'm right. So Bear places the last cupcake on the birthday table. Hooray, we did it! We've returned all the cupcakes. Now we can sing happy birthday to Pete. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday to you. Bye for now. Please subscribe.